morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today, day 6 in Bohol Island. Right now, 7 a.m. in the morning. I'm going to explore the Camugao waterfalls. It is 31 km distance from Butuan town, approximately 45 minutes bike ride. Past 6 days, I stay in Butuan town. It was a beautiful town. I highly recommend this place. Today, it was a fantastic day. The weather was beautiful. Great start in the morning. The sky looks so good. I'm going to enjoy this day. On the way, you have to cross through the Lobok River. Early morning, this kind of scenery brings joy to my travel. It looks so awesome and beautiful. I took a moment to enjoy the location and admire the beauty of this place. It was so cool and calm in the morning. Such a beautiful place. I'm happy to explore. Alright, very beautiful scene. Enjoyed already. Let's leave. On the way, you have to cross through a couple of beautiful small towns, which is nice. In this part of the town, most of my ride, there is no traffic. I'm not gonna lie, it's a beautiful place. Seriously awesome. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. We arrived here. See the mood over here. Very nice music. As usual, you need to register yourself. Then you have 100 pesos for entrance fee. Then for my motorbike is 20 pesos. It's up to you how much you give to the guide. There is no minimum amount. There is no maximum amount. Wow. The morning, the mood is fantastic. Look at that. Beautiful day. We almost walk 500 meters right now. Still we are going. Let's see how far it is. From here, the waterfall looks so beautiful, but still I have to go another 500 meters. Looks like a canyon. I need to walk down there. I'm really glad I came over here in the morning. We are getting down. It's going to be a little bit tough. Sometimes it might be slippery. So you need to hold the rails. You're going down. Oh. See the situation? You need to use the rope, everything. Yeah, quite down, like a canyon. I didn't expect this for the waterfalls. Really, still we are going down. Look at that. How far you need to go down. Wow, you need to be careful where you're stepping it. Look at my surroundings. That is a downstream. This here looks like a treasure hunt right now. We are hunting for the treasure. So from the main road, probably I came close to 1 kilometer. That's much distance we walked right now. Look at that. Beautiful. Very beautiful. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. When I get closer to the waterfalls, it's absolutely mind-blowing. I reach over here morning 8 o'clock, so there is nobody. I'm the first person over here today. So that's a place. Alright, I'm here with Danny. He's the guide. He's a very patient man. When you come here, you look for Danny. He's a very nice guy, very helpful. I highly recommend this Camugao waterfalls. Really amazing. The water was so cold. Beautiful. It's breathtaking. You should try. Now almost 9:20. I'm leaving from here. You should be careful. This mud, very slippery. At the same time, first 4 feet is not deep. You need to jump over there. The deep water is over there. So remember it. Safety first, guys. Safety first. Careful. Very slippery. Beautiful falls. You should definitely come over here if you come. I'm glad on my last day I came over here. I enjoyed the waterfalls. I highly recommend it. You can rest over here if it is rain. That's the situation. Wow. We took the shortcut. Pretty steep. Haven't had the breakfast yet. Wow. Right. Wait. I made it. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in the next video soon. Bye.